Check once. That big order was there, right? 18,775. That big order was there, right? 18,775. Hey, good afternoon, everyone. So, good afternoon. It's RBI day, and I hope you guys have had a very good day of trading so far. It's been a good eventful morning, and some flow has been there. It started off kind of slow, and it is picked up since the RBI governor was done. So what we're looking at right now is just the order flow of the Nifty futures as it trades around that 18,700. That initial impulse, which started at about 18,700, 18,770, I think it was 18,775. It was when the RBI governor was done speaking. That is done. The impulse is over, and since then the market is choosing to go back into balance mode. So just wanted to point out a few things in terms of larger structure and the event being done, and the settlement coming up tomorrow. So what we've been focused on is a few things, and this is where it all began this morning, right? So that meeting was there. The inventory had to organize itself around that meeting, and the selling was coming into that rise from the open. The selling was coming in, and we can see the sell side beginning to pick up around that 10 15 10:30 zone, right? This is where they started distributing, and then they started initiating sell side trades, as you can see from those pink bars. So what's happened is because of this initiative selling, and this thing which is coming, and you see those pick up of orders right here around the 18,740 zone, and this that imbalance here around that 18,715 odd zone. The market would find some supply if it wants to go up to that level up again, right? So we've been talking about the importance of about 18,700. The market is there right now, kind of in a limbo, not very certain about where it goes, but without looking for too many details over here, the market looks to be dominated by the seller right now, and you should be on the lookout for sell side opportunities today, right? So there has been that wall which has been slowly building up around that 18,775 odd levels, and that is gonna be a little bit tricky to get rid of. So the market would have to dip lower to get some buying interested, right? So this is the market profile chart of the Nifty again, and we are putting this out in terms of the weekly movement. So the 2nd to the 6th, that is from last Friday to about today being a Wednesday, and you can see okay that market has not been able to get back above these green levels, which is the VWAP of the last two settlements. The last two settlements have happened with this as VWAP around 18,775, 18,780, which is why the market is not been able to get past it yesterday and today. So lower, we thought okay that 18700 zone okay was gonna be a good support, and it's done its best over the past few days. But this market okay would have to go lower now to get some demand going, right? So I pointed out okay that level of about 18560, which is the settlement lows, which is the lows okay of that weekly series okay from 2 days back. But if you draw up okay a daily market profile chart of the Nifty futures, you get a little bit more in terms of clarity. So in that previous webcast I spoke okay about these singles of 212 around 18 as well. We had a market okay which was trying to rally in the G period on the 5th, couple of days back, that is 2 days back. It could not find that extension higher again. Okay, yesterday it tried to extend higher, but then this extension is again okay not been good. Today there's been no extension by buyers, but the market is again okay trying to find some sell side. So this was that 18700, 18670 single prints from 29 level, and these buyers from 2811 would be the ones to watch out for just at current D lows, where these singles start. The moment the market starts auctioning below the lows of today, there is going to be a big difficulty in terms of the movement for buyers. Okay, the from a market profile perspective, if the auction enters the single prints, or these single prints are what is represented by the A of 2611. If it enters the single prints, then the momentum okay shifts, and the buyers okay have to do that much of a bigger job to move the market back in their favor. So currently it is being dominated by the sellers, and that is going to be the way it is going to remain, and they are going to be much more in control if they manage to put in an extension below the D level. So the levels I'm watching for is about 18650. Anything okay below 18650 today, the seller okay puts his foot on the accelerator and could be driving this down to about 18500. For settlement tomorrow, the option market, just let's have a look at what the option market is doing. So as you can clearly see, for the Nifty, the green okay is the call open interest, and they've been okay dominating per the picture which was shown to us by Orderflow also. The call open interest seems to be higher. The put open interest at the moment is a little bit flat, but the call writers have been in from morning, and they've been dominating. So not much in terms of a trend visible at the moment. The white line okay is still very flattish in terms of option activity, but look for the puts around 18600, especially if the market begins to trade below that 18650 odd level. Look okay to see if the puts would at 18600 okay would like to unwind, right? So that is okay one aspect of the market okay you need to look at in terms of activity coming into the settlement tomorrow. The larger market still thinks 18500 is a base for tomorrow's settlement at least, which is in line okay what which is in line about what we've been discussing also about 18560 being a support per the market profile also. So all in all, okay, that is the situation at the moment. Sellers are dominating the scope at the moment. The landscape is with the sellers. This is the bank Nifty. And again, okay, you can see more or less the same. The call open interest, the option market is being a little bit more heavier in terms of the call open interest. The puts are kind of flattish, not given up yet, but it is more activity from call writers, right? The bank Nifty market profile chart is right here, and you can see, okay, this multi-day bracket, okay, which has been setting up, and the value is completely, okay, going sideways over here. Let the auction continue over here. So as long as we spoke about that 43,200 zone earlier this morning, and that has been visited. And what happened, okay, on that visit was that a lot of the supply, okay, which came in post that RBI meeting getting over, most of that supply shut off at 43,200. Let me just pull up the order flow chart and show that to you as well. So this is the Nifty, and yeah, so this is the bank Nifty from earlier today. So Mr. Das was live, and market, okay, had buy side bias going in, but as he was speaking, notice this period around 10:15, 10:30, we were looking for sell side opportunities the moment these pings started coming into the market, right? So this is the clearest indication that the market, okay, wanted to go down. It was getting responsive activity per the order flow. What we were looking for is the sell side signals, and if you were live in the room with me, I spoke about 43,200 being visited, and 43,200, okay, was visited, and that is going to be the factor for the rest of the day also. Whatever happens, if the market, okay, comes back to 43,200, look at the prevalence of supply over there. So this is, okay, what happened on that earlier round. You saw all those reds at about you see these reds coming in as that meeting was going on around that 43,540 zone, and this has been typical of order flow all around in this zone. See these reds. Now contrast these reds with the supply shut off, or you can say some demand coming in at around 43,200 mark. So see all these greens over here, that will tell you that the market, okay, does not want to go down any further, right? So that is a message, okay, from the order flow. So as long as of course, okay, some of these things were really late into the game and they got hammered, they got, okay, this thing, but around that 1107 lows, the initiative buyers came in. There was a little bit more of the responsive activity. The late sellers, okay, were taken out, but all in all, okay, when that selling happened, there was not much in terms of flow to know, okay, that the market, okay, wanted to go down further below 43,200. So I'll leave you with two levels: 43,200 for today in the bank Nifty, and 18,650 for the Nifty futures. And like I said, watch for the seller to initiate below that level again. Okay, it looks like completely, okay, dominated by the sellers. The reference level would be about 18,715 if you are looking for a stop gap, some simple kind of an arrangement. But I would not trade much, okay, between 18,660 to about 18,715 in the Nifty futures right now. But if it cracks below 18,650, that is an imbalance, okay, you need to capitalize on. Right, so that's me signing off for now. I hope, okay, you have a good session and make the most out of the trading opportunities. It looks like a relatively easier market to trade out of and make profits with. So I wish you the best, and we'll come back, okay, with some more, okay, whenever we have. Right, thank you for joining in.